Welcome back to United Tradesman Academy. Hey guys, look, I got an early start this morning. I got a call probably around like 5:30, 6 a.m. A lady's smoke detector was throwing sparks out of it. So we just pulled up here. I'm about to get out the van and go check it out because I got some more calls I got to do today. And this is one that was unexpected, so I'm gonna try and get this done real quick so I can go over to my other call for 9 o'clock. So let's go. Take a ride with me today. Average day, life of a residential electrician. All right, guys, let's get in here. Had to grab my tool bag, tools here. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm sorry I can't get a lot of footage because the homeowner, she's standing right there. So, but I am going to take you inside and show you what I found. So basically, how this house is wired, which is not the most optimal way. So when they wired the house, they wired it in a manner to where the outlets in the living room and the lights in the living room are tied in with the smoke detectors. By code, smoke detectors should be on their own circuit with nothing else. Okay. So she had a space heater that was plugged in to the outlet that was also tied into the smoke detectors. So what happened was that space heater being tied in to the outlets. I'm sorry, that's the outlets being tied into the smoke detectors. When she had the space heater plugged in, it burned the wires up in the smoke detector. So now, you know, the smoke detector was shooting sparks out. So let's get in here. I'm gonna make the repair so she can still have power, but I won't be able to put that smoke detector back today because, like I said, I have I have more places to go to after this. So yeah, let's go. That thing was pretty burned up, pretty bad.
That's definitely. I should have listened to my kitty cat. She was trying to tell me.
Yeah, she smelled it.
She said it's hot, mommy. It's bad.
I'm sorry, say that one more time.
I thought she had just finally noticed the little blinking green light on it and was trying to get the light. Like you had to go for the little laser lights and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I should have realized what was going on with it.
Yeah, this got pretty hot. It's got pretty hot. And so, how many dimmers you say you like to get put in?
3.
3? Okay.
One in the kitchen, one in the hallway, and then one in the other hallway.
Okay. Yeah, this could have been a lot worse. I'm glad the circuit breaker did his job.
Yeah, no, that's scary. That's why I was like, do I call the fire department? What do I do? Like, flames are coming out of my ceiling. This is very odd.
Yep.
We don't tell you that in homeowner class.
Oh no!
Like,
this is learn.
a fire extinguisher, but they don't tell you about flames coming out of your ceiling.
Yeah, no, this is learn as you go.
Yeah, right?
Learn as you go. Yeah, these got hot. So, let me see here. Yeah.
Now, how much power do those draw? Do they draw quite a bit of power, or not very much?
Less than an amp.
Okay, so they're okay. Weird that it overheated there, though. From the like, that's so strange. But it was probably from where those caps were, like.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Right.
Okay. And you just begun to use the space heaters?
Just like a couple weeks ago, I just.
Oh, okay, I got you. Okay.
And I don't leave it on all the time. I just use it, you know, a couple hours here, and it's been on for a long time this morning because I've been working all morning. I got up early. I think I must have just finally got it hot enough that it sparked out.
Yeah, when you see this, you're gonna be surprised.
God, that's a lot of plastic to melt too. Ooh.
And for it to be that hot.
Yeah, oh, you can smell it too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That's what that stuff is.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I'm grateful it wasn't worse. I'm grateful I was sitting right here and saw it happen. It's kind of scary.
Yeah, everybody isn't lucky as you.
No.
You know?
Well, imagine if I had got my Christmas tree all plugged in over there and everything.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that would have been stupid.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for telling me about the space heater, though. I will not use it unless.
Oh, yeah, no. Time to go.